Mars. Welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, we're here again sa Kenya Telecom. But of course, mag-update na naman tayo ng kanilang iPad. So pass muna tayo sa Samsung and also iPhone. Dito muna tayo sa malalaking Apple brands. So Kenya Telecom is located at 3rd floor B Mall, San Juan City. If by any chance naliligo kayo, pwede naman kayo magtanong sa mga guard. Ayan, pwede nilang ituro ko sa yung 3rd floor B Mall. And also, if nakita nyo na madaming tao dito sa Kenya Telecom, pwede kayo pumunta sa Tiangge nila, 2nd floor Tiangge XA07. Hindi pa rin po lumipat sila Ate Mayet. So, going back, so here is the freebies that they have if you're going to purchase iPad dito sa Kenya Telecom. So, meron niyang kasamang tempered glass. Ayan. We also have screen, baba naman. We also have silicone case and also yung flip na case for protection. Ayan. Meron din yang AirPods and of course, a pencil na kasama. So, that is the freebies pag nag-purchase kayo dito sa Kenya Telecom. So, let's start with Mini 7 in here. We have 128 gigabytes and also 256 gigabytes. So, iPad Mini 7, 128 gigabytes is 29,500. And then, yung 256 gigabytes nila is 36,500. Again, mga sis-Mars, may cashback or discount pa yan. Basta nakasubscribe and follow kayo, of course, sa YouTube channel natin. Yung page nila is nasa description box. Check nyo lang yan, mga sis-Mars. Meron tayo siyang link. Meron tayo ditong Air 5. So, ang Air 5 natin, mga sis-Mars, magkano to ate, iPad Air 5? AirPod. So, this one is 27,500. Less cashback pa yan, mga sis-Mars. So, this is Air 5, 64 gigabytes. Meron tayong 10th gen dito. Ayan. So, 10th generation, 256 gigabytes. 28,500. Meron din silang 64 gigabytes and that is 20,500. So, yun yung ating iPad 10th gen. So, marami silang stock sa 10th gen. As you can see, ayan. Ayan yung kanilang 10th gen. So, marami silang stocks pagdating sa ating iPad 10th gen. We also have here, may bago sila dito, yung iPad 11th gen. So, meron tayong 11th gen dito, 256 gigabytes and also 128 gigabytes. Itong 11th gen mo ate? 23,512. So, 128, 23,500 and then yung 256 ate? Ano? 29,500 yung 256 gigabytes. So, marami silang 11th gen dito. Merong pink, may silver, ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, merong pink, ayan, may silver, may blue. Ayan yung available nilang 11th gen. So, meron silang madaming stocks dito pagdating sa iPad 11th gen. Meron din tayo ditong Air 7. So, Air 7, 128 gigabytes. Magkano itong Air 7 niya ate? 36,500. So, 36,500 yung kanilang Air 7. Meron tayo ditong, ano ba to? Starlight pala is light. Starlight and also purple. So, yun yung available nilang color. Ayan. And, meron din tayong iPad Pro. M4, 256 gigabytes, 13 inches. So, yung iPad Pro nila na 13-inch M4 chip is 69,000. Ayan. Slate black yung available na color nila dito. Well, actually, madami silang iPads dito. As you can see, ayan. So, meron sila ditong nakabukas na 10th gen. Ayan, yung pink and blue. So far, yun lang yung available stocks natin dito sa Kenya Telecom pagdating sa kanilang mga iPads. So, warranty mga sis-Mars, meron silang 7 days replacement warranty. If by any chance na beyond the turnaround time na yung 7 days replacement warranty, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi meron pa po silang 3 months service warranty. Sa payments, meron silang cash, GCash, bank transfer, and if your cards. Sa credit card naman po, if by any chance gusto nyo mag-installment or gamitin yung credit card nyo, meron silang specific interest. It depends on your bank. Cash on delivery din po sila within Metro Manila and outside Metro Manila. With outside Metro Manila po, That is through LBC and nangingi po sila ng down payment of course. Pero nasa 3,000 to 5,000 lang yung range. And also yung delivery fee that will be shouldered by the buyer. Same within Metro Manila po, delivery fee will be shouldered by the buyer. So far, yun lang yung ating price update dito sa Kenya Telecom when it comes sa kanilang iPod. Don't forget to follow them. Nasa description box po yung page nila. And my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me also sa aking TikTok account which is A.Stories. See you sa ating next na price update buyers.